Soon the skies of major cities around the world will be home to the latest generation of personal eVTOL aircraft that will not only get you to your next meeting without the traffic jam, but also get you home to an outer suburb in record time. In this video, we look at 5 innovative companies pioneering in the field of electric vertical takeoff and landing light aircraft that is sure to amaze. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. The LILIUM jet uses multiple relatively small ducted propellers driven by electric motors to provide lift during takeoff and landing, as well as thrust during the cruise phase. LILIUM says that it refers to the propulsion system as a jet because the propellers are enclosed in nacelle. The production LILIUM jet is intended to accommodate 6 passengers and 1 pilot. It is powered by 36 electric motors, 6 on each of the 2 front canards and 12 on each rear wing. The motors are installed above 12 tiltable rear flaps. The drive-carrying flaps pivot downwards for vertical launch. At the transition to the horizontal position, forward thrust is generated. This is claimed to be significantly more economical than a conventional rotorcraft. LILIUM plans to both manufacture the LILIUM jet and operate the LILIUM jet as a point-to-point on-demand regional air taxi service. They plan to create landing pads or lily-pads on the top of buildings and other areas, and that minimal infrastructure is needed for their lily-pad. The cost of their on-demand aerial ride-sharing will be similar to the price of taking a taxi. LILIUM states that their aerial ride-sharing operations will increase the radius of life of their consumers by as much as 25%. JOBY Aviation's S4 2.0 is a 5-seater eVTOL air taxi aircraft using 6 tilting propellers, which are located on both the fixed high wing and its V-tail. 4 propellers tilt vertically, including its entire motor nacelle, and 2 of the propellers tilt vertically with a linkage mechanism. The aircraft has a very modern and futuristic design with large windows for spectacular views and has a tricycle-type retractable wheeled landing gear. The company reports the aircraft is 100 times quieter than a helicopter during takeoff and landing with a near-silent flyover. A distributed electric propulsion or DEEP system can take the aircraft to speeds of 200 miles per hour and is powered by lithium nickel cobalt manganese oxide batteries, providing a range of 150 miles. DEEP eVTOL aircraft provides multiple advantages over traditional aircraft, including greater stability, quieter operation, no emissions, and higher reliability. The vehicle also employs a unified flight control system to reduce pilot workload during the conversion to and from VTOL horizontal flight mode. The JOBY S4 2.0 will be used for on-demand urban air mobility and will not be for sale to the consumer. JOBY plans to either operate their own aircraft or be in partnership with other rideshare companies such as Uber Elevate, whom it recently acquired. The Zapata FLYBOARD Air is a single-person jet-powered aerial VTOL vehicle capable of unprecedented individual mobility and is the smallest jet engine aircraft in the world. The jet-powered hoverboard, or what the company calls the Independent Propulsion Unit, is powered by 5 jet turbines that deliver a top speed of nearly 110 miles per hour, a potential altitude of 10,000 feet, and about 10 minutes of flight time. Its rider has to weigh less than 250 pounds. The board packs 4 250 horsepower turbo engines with 2 more on the sides to stay stable. The FLYBOARD Air has been designed to be piloted with little training. The creators developed a special algorithm for stabilization whereby each engine can be manipulated individually to change the angle and thrust. It can even fly on just 3 engines, making it possible to land safely if one engine fails mid-flight. The FLYBOARD Air is not yet ready for military use due to the noise it creates. However, other potential uses range from the evacuation or rescue of people, repair of structures, and distribution of product. The Zapata FLYBOARD Air technology platform is the safest, easiest, lightest, most maneuverable personal aviation system ever created. The Air 1 is a fixed-wing eVTOL aircraft that holds 2 passengers. Both passengers have access to the aircraft's controls, allowing co-piloting to be conducted. The aircraft is powered by 8 electric motors and uses 8 pairs of rotors to fly at a max speed of 155 miles per hour and a max range of 110 miles. The range of the Air 1 is credited in part to the lightness of the aircraft. The wings and rotors of the Air 1 do not tilt, and the absence of machinery needed to tilt the wings reduces the weight. The aircraft incorporates Air's fly-by-intent system, currently utilized in drones manufactured by Air, which allows those with little or no flying experience to pilot the Air 1 safely and easily. With a focus on personal air mobility, Air is developing the eVTOL for personal use, providing an everyday airborne alternative for short-distance commuting. The aircraft is able to take off and land on any flat surface with a 550-pound payload. It is able to fit most garages and driveways and is also suitable for trailer haul. The wings of the aircraft may be folded towards the vehicle, and while in this configuration, it may fit in any parking spot sized for a car. If you have ever desired to fly, look no further than the Air 1. The Zapata Jet Racer is a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft that mirrors a luxe cushioned beach deck chair that can fly like an airplane thanks to its 10 micro-turbo jet engines installed around the seat. It can achieve a speed of up to 155 miles per hour while maintaining high maneuverability. This does, however, come at the cost of a relatively short range. Its targeted peak altitude is 10,000 feet, and it's capable of lifting up to 441 pounds of person or cargo, the latter under remote or autonomous control. Being built on a light and modular chassis makes the aircraft easy to navigate and meet multiple needs, both civil and military. Zapata has also built into the aircraft a single-button stunt command that blasts the jet racer into a very fast and scary-looking 360-degree roll. In the event there is a loss of 2 engines from the microjets, the flight can still be continued without facing consequences while in the air. A control and fuel system is installed on board along with a power supply indicator to keep the pilot informed on the flight information. Jet Racer also features redundant electrical control for each motor and steering assistance in case the pilot needs it. If you are looking for an ergonomic and thrilling way to travel short distances, the Zapata Jet Racer has you covered. So guys, if you are fascinated by VTOL aircraft, we hope you now have a better understanding of the future of the industry and how these incredible inventions are going to impact our lives. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.